Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today here I am gonna show you Fedora 37 latest beta version that is released for our Raspberry Pi 4, and we will see all the detailed review of this Linux distribution with all new changes and features. So let's start. Here we are in our desktop environment. So you can see all the basic tabs are like as it was before. Nothing much is visually changed. But the Gnome version here we got is Gnome version 43. That is latest version of Gnome. Okay. Here are Gnome versions overviews, and let's take a tour of Gnome. Okay. So we can get what we have got new in this Gnome 43. Okay. If you press super key, then you got app overview like this. Okay, that's cool. And just type to search. You can type anywhere to search anything from your system, like files to settings. All things will be searched, like settings. And if you directly search like display, then automatically it will search for display settings also. Okay. Here we go. Keep on top with workspaces. You can enable disable workspaces, and up to you can add up to 36 workspaces, I think. If you have touch screen, you can get advantages of these touch gestures, like if you swipe up or down 3 fingers, then you get app overview. You can swipe left or right with 3 fingers, then you can switch between workspaces, and that's it for Gnome. That's what we have got new in this Gnome version. Okay, so firstly I will show you some important apps and what are their functionalities. These are some apps we got by default: clock, weather, clock, calendar, maps, contacts, photos, videos, calculator, documents, settings, Fedora, media writer. This is something used to prepare new pen drives for Fedora system. Select, you can choose ISO file, and you can choose storage and then write on it. Okay, these are some useful apps of Fedora system. And as a web browser we got Firefox, calendar, files and software. Okay, that's it. We have got Linux terminal, and as a part of LibreOffice we got LibreOffice Calc, LibreOffice Impress and LibreOffice Writer. Here we got help tab, text editor, Cheese for photos viewing, rhythm box for music playing, and system monitor. This is also useful. Here you can see what are the partitions available and how much they are filled and how much they are free. Okay, and here you go with resources, like our CPU is quad core. All quad cores of our CPU are seen here, and their current clock speed, their current usage, all we can see here. And we can see file system also, processes, which processes are running in currently. Okay, these are some things we can check out with this system monitor tool. Right now let's check out some other utilities, like disk usage analyzer and disks, image viewer, document viewer, characters. This is something very cool. Like we got all characters, functions, flags, tags, objects, bullets, arrows, all things at one place in this characters app. Okay, let's check out others utilities. Fonts, here we got different fonts, like all fonts like these. Okay, and let's go to software. Okay, Gnome software. This is a Gnome powered app, and check out what we can do from this. So nearly all applications are now supported and integrated in this Gnome software tool, and here we can see installed apps, and you can uninstall or install apps right from here, and you can check app updates from here. And if you want to update, then you have to download and require install. Okay, that's it. Gnome software. You can explore by categories like create, work, play. Play category, obviously games. Now let's check out what are the things we got here. Lots of games. Okay, that's cool. Work, it is office things like LibreOffice and much more things like that. Okay, it is taking much time than usual. Let's skip that. Okay, let's close it. And now let's move on to settings, and I will show you all the settings of this Fedora. Let's go to about. Here we go. Fedora version 37 64-bit and Gnome version is 43, beta version, Wayland, Windows system. Now let's start from first. This is Wi-Fi menu, this is network menu. You can manage wired networks VPN from here. This is Bluetooth menu. Appearance settings. In appearance menu you can choose dark theme or default theme and different types of backgrounds. If you try default, this is light theme you got by default. Notifications, you can control notifications, turn on off notifications and activate the not disturb mode, and also you can manage applications for notification, means you can control each app's notification. Okay, you can search. Here are some search settings like active application search, search history, search location, and which apps should be included in search. Okay, multitasking. Here we got some cool features like hot corner and active screen edge. These are something like that. If you move your mouse pointer to left corner, then it will show app overview. That's pretty cool. Applications, you can manage all your applications from here and enable disable their notification and search settings. Okay, privacy, here we go. We have got some privacy settings like screen settings like screen off, screen lock time, automatic screen lock delay, show notifications on lock screen, location services. Here you can turn on and off notifications service. Camera, as we don't have any camera hardware, so we can't access. Microphone, Thunderbolt, we don't have support of Thunderbolt. Files and history, here you can manage all file settings like it will automatically clear history, and if you set these settings like if you turn this on, then after 30 days it will automatically clear temporary files and automatically delete trash contents. Okay, diagnostics, if you face any problem or any app crash, then it will automatically report that diagnostics to Fedora team that they can improve the system in further. And this is device security. Okay, that's it. Now let's check out online accounts. Here you can add your different types of accounts like Google account, Nextcloud account, Microsoft account, Microsoft Exchange account, Fedora account, IMAP and SMTP. These are some mail clients, you can add them also. Enterprise login, Kerberos. Okay, that's it. And now sharing, you can enable sharing of different things like file sharing, remote desktop, media sharing and remote login. Okay, you can share files over Wi-Fi in these options. Remote desktop, here you can enable remote desktop like VNC viewer we have seen before, or virtual desktop like these things. Okay, here you can share your music, videos and pictures via this Wi-Fi network also, and remote login is turned on. Sound settings, here is system sound, volume levels, and if you enter the wired microphone, then it will show these settings. If you choose HDMI audio, analog audio, and if you connect any Bluetooth device, then that option will be added here. Okay, power option, here you can choose power mode, balanced or power saver. Power saver is not useful for us because we are using adapter, not battery. but if you are using our system over battery, then this option will definitely help you. Screen blank after 5 minutes, automatic suspend off. Okay. Displays, here you can set display resolutions, different kind of resolutions like this. Keep changes. Okay, now the resolution is pretty changed and all the things are becoming big because we have reduced the resolution. Higher resolution automatically make things smaller but crisper and accurate. Okay, so always choose higher resolution, but not that much high. If you choose very high resolution that is not compatible with your display, then you will see this warning continuously like this: input not supported. Then revert settings, get back. Okay, mouse and touchpad, here you can set primary mouse button to left and right, natural scrolling, mouse speed, you can enable these things here. Keyboard, you can add different keyboard layouts from here, and all other steps like keyboard shortcuts, you can view and customize your keyboard shortcuts like this. Okay, printers, you can add manage printers from here. Removable media settings, you can choose what to do if you insert media like this. If you insert CD audio media, then you can set that it should open automatically with rhythm box or whatever. Ask what to do nothing, open folder, these types of actions automatically it will perform. But I will suggest you to keep all settings as ask what to do, because you can choose further what you wanna do. Okay, colors, nothing much. HDMI monitor we are using, so you can calibrate colors. Region and languages, we have got all languages and region supports with Fedora 37, all regional languages, all country languages. Like you are from India, you can have Hindi, Marathi, all worldwide languages are supported now. Okay, accessibility, here you can enable accessibility menu like this. High contrast, it will become broad. Large text, the text size will be increased like this. Animation is on. Screen reader, it will read all screen contents allowed for you. Sound keys, if you press any key, then it will show the name, it will read aloud the name of that key. Cursor size, you can choose different mouse cursor size from here. You can enable zooming every screen. If you enable this option, you can able to zoom every screen, including home screen too. Hearing visual effects on. Typing, screen keyboard, you can enable or disable screen keyboard like this. This is screen keyboard. If you enter any field area of typing, this will automatically enable on screen keyboard, and you can disable that option from here too. Okay, counting and clicking mouse keys, here you can calibrate mouse click, double click, delay, something like that. And here are user settings. Default user is PJ, and you can add another users, change passwords, and all other activity steps from here. Okay, default applications, here are some default application settings like web application is default to Firefox, calendar application is calendar, music is rhythm box, video is videos, and image viewer is image viewer. Okay, but mail application is missing. You can install Thunderbird mail from Firefox community. This is also stable, very stable and good email client for Linux. Here we can choose date and time settings. I will prefer AM PM style over 24 hours. This is my personal favorite. And here we go again with about. This is about section of Fedora. Here we got Gnome version 43 beta, and we have seen all that steps before. So that's it, guys. These are some things we got in our Fedora 37 beta version. This is currently beta version, but much stable, I will say. You can use it as your daily driver, but if you wanna some wait, then definitely you should wait. stable version of this Fedora 37 will be released soon. Okay, thanks guys. So thank you for watching my video, and please do like, share, subscribe my channel, because I am new to this video streaming, and I need your support and love guys. So please